Hello everyone. In this module, we are going to learn about the four operations together. Here you can see some numbers which are connected with mathematical symbols. So the very first question which arises in the mind is how to solve such problems when all operations are given together. And when this problem was given to the students, it was observed that the solution of the same problem was something like this. Again, the question arises in the mind. Can we have two answers for the same problem? Or do we need to follow any order to solve this problem? Let us find out the answers to these questions. And of course, no, we cannot have two answers for the same problem. And yes, we need to follow an order to solve this problem. So it was observed that method 1 is the correct way to solve this problem. Let us learn this method in detail. Here again we have some numbers connected with mathematical symbols. So when numbers are connected together by one or more signs, they form a numerical expression. And the way by which we get the answer of numerical expression is called simplification of expression. And to find the correct answer of a numerical expression, we have to perform the operations in a certain order, which is called Demas. So the rule to solve such numerical expression is Demas rule. Let us understand this in detail. So moving from left to right, first we go for D, which means division. After that we will go for M, which means multiplication. Next to this we will go for A, that is addition. And at the last we will go for S, which means subtraction. So with this Demas rule, we can solve such numerical expressions. Here we have an example. So let us simplify this numerical expression, that is 3 multiply 4 plus 6 divided by 2 minus 5 with the Demas rule. So here let us move from left to right, and first we will go for D, which means division. So 6 divided by 2 will go for 3, and after D we will go for M. So here we will multiply the numbers 3 multiply 4, which will give 12. After M we will go for A, which means addition. So here we will add the numbers 12 plus 3, which is 15. And at last we will go for S, that is 15 minus 5 is equal to 10. So finally 10 is the correct answer of this numerical expression. So in this way we apply the Demas rule for such numerical expressions. So in this module, we have learned what is Demas rule and steps to be followed in solving the problem containing four operations together. Thank you.